Ang kwentong ito ay nagsimula sa libro lamang ni Dr. Jose Rizal na ang pamagat ay To the Filipino Youth. At ngayon, balikan natin ang nakaraan. Hold high the brow serene, O youth, where you now stand. Let the bright sheen of your grace be seen, fair hope of my fatherland. Come now, thou genius grand, and bring down inspiration with thy mighty hand. Swifter than the wind's violation, raise the eager mind to higher station. Come down with blazing light of art and science to the fight, O youth, and dare untie the chains that heavy lie. Your spirit free to blight. See how in flaming zone, amid the shadow throne, the Spaniard's holy hand, a crown's resplendent band proffers to this Indian land. Thou who now wouldst rise on wings of rich emprise, seeking from Olympian skies songs of sweetest strain, softer than ambrosial rain, thou whose voice divine rivals Fidolmian's refrain, and with varied line, through the night benign, frees mortality from pain. Thou who by sharp strife wakest thy mind to life, and the memory bright of thy genius light makest immortal in its strength. And thou in accents clear, obvious to Apelles dear, or by the brush's magic art, takest from nature's store apart, to figure on a simple canvas land. Go forth, and then the sacred fire of thy genius to the laurel may aspire, to spread around the fame, and in victory acclaim, through wider spheres thy human name. Day, oh happy day, fair Filipinas, for thy land, so bless the power today that places in thy way this favor and this fortune grand.
Uy, kaibigan! Kamusta ka na, kaibigan?
Okay lang kaibigan, ikaw naman.
Eto, nangangarap na... Ay, chika pala.
Ano?
Kamusta ka na?
Okay lang ako. Ikaw?
Eto, na nagtitingala sa mga ulap. Pangarap kong maging marino eh. Ikaw ba?
Wow, ganda naman. Ako, gusto ko maging isang piloto.
Maganda
Alam mo
yan.
ba kung anong rason?
Ano ba?
Kasi gusto kong makita yung mga magandang alapaap.
Tsaka mga tanawin, kaibigan. Ako
Yeah.
nga rin eh. Gusto
Yeah.
ko makapunta sa mga iba't ibang lugar.
Yan na nga ba?
Oo, kaibigan. Sige, kaibigan Salamat.
Okay, ingat ka dyan.
Ingat ka rin.
Kaibigan, ano ba gusto mo pag lumaki ka na?
Ako, siguro gusto ko maging isang magaling na musician. Parang ganon.
Ako gusto kong maging isang abogado. At saka para makatulong sa mga taong naagrabyado. Ikaw?
Mabuti rin yan. Ako gusto ko, laki ko, pag naging musician ako, gagawa ako ng kanta at ipapakinig ko sa lahat ng mga tao.
Maganda yan, kaibigan.
So my reflections about results writing to the Filipino youth is that all Filipino youth should focus on their studies as results says that ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan, kaya di dapat nila pinapabayaan ang kanilang pag-aaral. And also, kung meron silang talent, they have to show all the world of what the Filipino youth is capable of, and that's all.
My reflection or what I've learned about the Filipino youth is they need to give importance their studies. Also, they need to value all the things that Rizal did. And they need to showcase or express their talents to become the better versions of themselves. That's all.
Reflection in the Filipino youth as invention by Dr. Jose Rizal hold the potential to shape the future of the nation with their vigor, intelligence, and sense of responsibility. In today's context, this vision remains profoundly relevant as a young Filipino faces challenges and opportunities in rapidly changing world.
To the Filipino youth of Jose Rizal. By embracing education, valuing cultural heritage, engaging in civic duties, they can drive meaningful progress and uphold the ideas of freedom, justice, and national pride of the Rizal champion.
I believe in Jose Rizal when he said, ang kabataan, ang pag-asa ng bayan. For me, Jose Rizal quoted this is very important to us because we are part of the society, and as a youth, we can contribute a lot to our country, and in his works we are inspired, and as a youth I can give to our country a contribution, especially in the form of works and other cultures to achieve.
For me, this poem made by Dr. Jose Rizal, entitled To the Filipino Youth, for me it's an inspiration not just for me, but also to the next generation of students that came upon to read this poem. I believe that this poem teaches everyone to become a better version for themselves and for a better version for the generations to come. I believe that this poem is a good inspiration and a good poem made by Dr. Jose Rizal.
Here's my reflection about the Filipino youth that was written by Rizal. So as we can see today, Filipino youth is going to worst, unlike from the past. It's because the Filipino youth today is misguided and lack of self-discipline. So we must embody the character of a disciplined person in order for us to become a better for our society and for our country and for our future generation. That's all. Thank you.